Hey folks, bidtrice.com, triceauctions.com. Coming up in an auction, we got a Honda 5518 four-wheel drive, four-wheel steer garden tractor. Will admit, I've never seen one of these. Thing seems pretty cool. I don't know if you can put a PTO shaft on there, but some kind of bracket protecting there for some reason. Like I said, it's four-wheel drive, brake, it starts right up. I'll show you that here in a second. It's got a Honda motor in it. Honda overhead cam, newer battery, runs on gas. Let's try to fire this up one-handed here. Pull choke out, fires right up. Go ahead and take it for a little spin. Then put her in 5, got it in high. Away we go. You see the wheels do turn and steer on both sides. I don't know if you can really see that. They do. Goes this way, this way. Reverse. Goes reverse just fine. Got an upper and lower transmission that seems to work. Test the four-wheel drive. That works really well. Gears to work. Back in two-wheel. Something's going up and down here. Let's see if we can figure out what that is. Yeah. So there you are. You had a Honda 5518 garden tractor. It's going to be sold here. Nice little running mower, it looks like. No attachments. This is how we picked it up from the estate. Have a good day.